All right, welcome to day 2 of Mexico. Hola, Miss Rachel.
Hola.
Hola. All right, we are working on the letter M. M, why? Because M is for Mexico. All right, fingers ready. Stretch them out. Capital, lowercase. One of those letters. Kind of similar. We have more of a sharp point, and then we have kind of like little arches, okay? And it's half the size as our capital or uppercase letter. All right, so get your fingers ready and start. We're gonna start at the bottom and we're gonna go straight to the top. And then we're gonna go kind of in a diagonal down to the middle, and then a diagonal up, and then straight down. If you look at the middle of your M, what letter is that?
Oh, that kind of looks like a V.
Yeah, so the middle part is the shape of the V that we have already worked on as well. Okay, so if you notice, it's that same motion. Okay, so the only difference is for our M is we're gonna do a straight line down on one side and a straight line down on the other side to connect it. Another trick, you ready for this, Miss Rachel?
Let's see it.
Don't get it confused with
W.
W.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So if you can make a V, you can make an M, you can make a W. They're all there. All right. Lowercase, straight line down halfway. And then we're going to do a loop and a loop. Okay. So straight line down, loop, and a loop. All right. Use your dry erase marker. All right. We're going to do straight line up. Now here is our V. Down, back up, and then straight line down. Okay? You can practice that a couple of times. And then our lowercase, straight line down just a little bit. And then loop it around and loop it around. Now, if you want to do it in one motion, you can try to start at the bottom and go halfway up, but then you're going to have to go down just slightly to give us this little middle part, and then trace it back up and go down, okay? But either way you do it is perfectly fine. Okay, pick your pencil up, loop. Pick your pencil up, loop. Okay? All right. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna erase this, and we're gonna look at the bottom, and we're gonna say M is for Mexico. Do you see any other M's, Miss Rachel?
I do. It isn't super obvious right away, but if you go up here to the tippy top of the corner, there's a lowercase m in Wiggle Worms right there.
There it is.
Perfect.
All right. Before we play our guessing game, you should have some sticky string. You might have all the same color. You might have different colors. But you are going to use them to make your letters. Okay? Should stick to the board. Okay, let's see, let me grab some more. We're gonna turn our purple into pink, and it's gonna be too long, so I'm just gonna double it up. All right, there is our capital. All right, let's see. Pull this down a little bit, arch it back up. Let's see. Maybe I'll go this way and loop it around. Okay, so you can play with the sticky string and make the letters as well. All right, so have fun playing with that. You can do that for a couple of minutes. When you are done, then you know what time it is. It's time for the guessing game. Oh, I skipped over this. Miss Rachel, what is up here?
That is the shape of the country of Mexico with its beautiful flag up there for you guys to review too.
Remember, green, white, red. The only difference between this flag and Italy's flag is the eagle in the middle. Okay? All right. Oh, this one will be fairly easy, maybe. Maybe. Okay.
I think I know what it is. It's
Yeah.
money.
It is money. I'll just do like this. All right, that looks really bad. That almost looks like a camera, but that is supposed to be some money.
Money, money.
There's some coins. There's some coins. All right, how about this? You ready? It's this right there on his face.
It's a mustache.
It is a mustache.
I'm not gonna lie. I thought
Like a
you were
handlebar.
thought you were drawing Miss Chrissy, and then I saw the
Oh.
mustache, and I was like, wait a second, where is this going?
Okay, it could be me, but I don't have a mustache, so
Nope, you don't.
I will have to erase that part. All right, how about a tiny little animal that most people don't want running around their house with a bunch of whiskers? That's hard to see.
That looks like a mouse.
A mouse. I do not want a mouse in my house.
No, thank you.
All right. How about, let's see, I'm trying to draw it upside down. Can you, no?
Is that a mountain?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, perfect.
I guess it does kind of look like steps the way I drew it.
Yeah, no, it's
There.
beautiful. Mountains.
Mountains. All right, when you are ready, take off your sticky string, put it to the side, flip over your board, very colorful board. We're gonna work on our words in Spanish, our color words in Spanish. So Miss Chloe went ahead and wrote the English words in the color that they are, and then the Spanish words in the color that they are. So we're gonna start up here and we're gonna trace the line and we're gonna see what blue is in Spanish. And blue in Spanish is azul.
See.
All right, azul. 4 letters, 4 letters.
That worked out pretty well.
Yeah. All right, red. All right, let's get to our red. What do we have?
Rojo.
It's the rolling of that R.
That's right.
Rojo. Oh,
Oh,
did you hear that?
Yeah, it was perfect, Miss
There
Chrissy.
you go.
There you go.
We need to like cut that and put it back in the other one. All right, yellow. Oh, it's another rolling of the R's.
Yep.
All right, Miss Rachel.
Amarillo.
Amarillo.
Now,
There's a little bit of a R in there.
if you live in Texas, there's a town called Amarillo. It's spelled the same way. In Spanish, it's Amarillo. Yeah.
Okay. Orange. Orange. Now, in Spanish, this is the color orange,
Yes.
not the edible orange. Or is it both?
I think it's both. I think
Okay.
it's the same as in English. You can fact check me, but I'm pretty sure.
So
Yeah.
orange and orange
Yep.
and orange and orange.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
There we go. And
Naranja.
naranja.
Naranja. See. Yep.
Naranja. I'm working on it. All right, green. Green, Miss Chrissy likes. Miss Chrissy puts green salsa on her Mexican food all the time. It is verde.
Verde. Muy bien.
Okay. All right. If you look down at the bottom, we have a bunch of things that you will find in Mexico. One of my favorite, and a lot of people do this in the U.S., is they get piñatas. And when you crack open a piñata, what is usually in it?
Candy.
Candy. Sombrero. Do you know why they have sombreros?
Why do they have sombreros?
To protect their head from the sun.
Makes perfect sense.
There you go. Big rim.
That's right.
Pepper. Do you like the jalapenos?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. Chili peppers. Yep.
Delicious.
And some cactus. We have our little girl there. I was trying to think of the word for girl. Nina.
See, yes, Nina. Yep.
Little Nina. All right, and if you look, Miss Chloe put pictures beside it because these are the Spanish numbers. So your goal is to count, figure out what it is, and write the English number. All right, so our Nina, how many do we have?
I see 1 Nina.
Okay, so we have 1. So right next to her, we can put 1, or if you're not ready, put your dot. Okay,
Right.
so 1 in Spanish is, and we counted in Spanish yesterday with our donkey, so that's uno. Okay, sombrero. Sombreros. Do you see the sombreros?
I see 1 sombrero,
Okay,
2 sombreros.
2. So let's put our 2 here, or our 2 dots. And now we have dos. Okay, so we have uno, dos. Let's find the cactus.
I see 1.
Okay,
I see 2.
okay,
I see 3.
3. 1, 2, 3. So we have tres. Uno, dos, tres. Okay, my favorite.
Let's count those pinatas.
I was gonna say it's a donkey too. It's a donkey pinata.
That's right. That's right.
All right, how many do you see?
I see 1,
All right,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4. All right, so we have uno, dos, tres. What do we have?
Cuatro.
All right, 4. Don't forget, that's one of the numbers that you will see different ways.
Yep.
Okay. All right, so we have uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Last one is our peppers. See if you can find our peppers.
I see 1,
Okay.
2,
Oh,
3,
yep.
4, and 5.
5. Let's see if I can.
Nope, sorry.
I knew I was getting too good at this.
That's right, there you go.
we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cinco. So we have uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're welcome. All right. That is all I have for Mexico with our letter board, working on the letter M. Anything else, Miss Rachel?
That should take care of it for today.
Then, adios.
Adios.